How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario and this is Mediaboxent, where always we bring you the latest in technology. And today we have another cool scooter to show you. Now this kind can run up to 39 miles an hour, one single charge 43 miles, one single motor of 1200 watts. But you know what? Today I'm going to show you all the things you need to know before you get it, such what speed wires, brake, lighting, and test drive. All those things you will get it in this video. Begin now. All right guys, so let's begin the details. I'm going to start with the motor. So the motor, like I said in the beginning, 1200 watts would allow you to get about 39 miles an hour and 43 in one single charge. Now the tires are off-road 10 inches. But looking this way, we can see the suspension and the gear lights. By the way, they're like kind of flexible, so no problem if you hit something. I'm going to show you at night. You can really appreciate all the lighting. We have more lights right there. We can see LED lights. Now the deck has anti-slip design. It's pretty wide. We can see here if we want to fold the scooter, we can see another suspension. Now we're going around and we can check the front tire. Once again, it's 10 inches. This is not solid, so it requires air, so to keep a nice comfortable ride. We can see the lighting, pretty powerful lighting, and also the horn is pretty powerful. Check this out. So it's about, it has to be more than 110 decibels. It's super loud. Let's keep going around. Let me show you the brakes. Go this way, and we can see now these brakes. Again, the suspension. And let's go this way. Now we can see the LED lighting at night. You're gonna really appreciate this. Now voltage watch, you have about 55 or 54 volts, 24 amp, and you have two chargers to get a fast charger to power up that power motor. Now we can check also the disc brakes, suspension, and again the gear light. Now the seat has a good suspension, and we can bring this up and down, so we can take it apart or fold this down. Now let's look at the controller. Later on I'm going to show you good detail when we do the test drive. We just got over, this is the lighting on and off. We can see the voltage here, gear light, horn, and on and off. Pretty simple. We move this way, brakes here. All right, let's turn it on. And then from here we can change the gears. Anyway, I'm going to show you on the test drive, brakes, and here it allows you to adjust it. Now as we can see, it's a great scooter, but you know what? In the next section, I'm going to show you in a test drive and we go over more details. All right, so let's start the test drive. So the first thing we need to do is turn the key on. When you turn the key on, we have the voltage here. So you get about 60 volts. So I'll be using it. That's what it shows. Right now 56. By the way, we can see the perfect. And so 56. This is just the original protection, and keep it there so it doesn't get scratched. Then the next thing is we have to turn it on. So we're going to be pressing power on, and when it's on, automatically it's going to default to the last level. So in this case, it's level 3. Pretty simple. You press the M and you rotate to 3 different levels. So remember, this one only has one motor. So here we have the total battery, and the time we're working in, we set it right now in kilometers. We can also reprogram this to get into miles. So we have gear 1, gear 2, and gear 3. Pretty straightforward. Also the brakes, by the way, we can adjust it here as well too. And this is nice because I'll be able to put my palm there and it holds my hand and it feels super comfortable. And then on this side, and pretty much straightforward, and in this case the light is off. You press it and the lights are on. I'm going to show you later on what this thing looks like at night. And then from here we have the signal light, left and right, and then the horn. The horn is pretty loud. I would think it's about maybe 120 decibels. So that's pretty loud. So one was on, and we can start doing a test drive. So I'm right now at an uphill, anyway, maybe about 20 degrees. So I'm gonna go and press in level 3. Pretty simple. Now also I'm trying right now with the seat. You could remove the seat if you want and use it as a stand-up scooter. No problem to use the brake at all. It stops pretty sharp. Let's use both. Yes, no problem. You don't want to go that crazy either. Okay, so in this section we're going to be trying a hill about maybe 20 degree. So I'm going to set it to level 3. Let's say 20 to even 25. So let's see how we do it. So right now we are at about 16 kilometers. I'm going to compare later on with the GPS. But right now no problem at all. Problem for the uphill. So it's time to recap the video. So in this video, what I did, I show you the speed, the brakes, the lighting, all the things you need to know, like I said, before you get it. One other thing I like about this type of scooter is the seat. Super comfortable. By the way, it has a cool suspension on the seat. So make it easy to move from A to B. Speed-wise, you can reach about 39. In my case, I think I did about 30 miles an hour, but you can go much faster than that. Remember, if you want to use it like a normal scooter, stand up, it's pretty simple. Remove the seat, we can unclog this and bring it to your right height, and that's the only thing you need to do. Now, like always, I'm going to leave the link right below this video with the full information and how to get it. Now, remember, this is an affiliated link, but you know what? You always pay the same anyway. So, I'll see you next time. Once again, I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. Bye.